Good afternoon, everyone. Today's story is called Armadillos. Armadillo is Spanish for little armored one, and it describes the obvious trait shared by all the world's 20 species of armadillo. Small overlapping bony plates cover the head, body, and tail of every armadillo. All armadillos have short, sturdy legs and strong claws, which they use to dig their burrows. All armadillos live in the tropical or warmer areas of South America and North America. One species, the nine-banded armadillo, ranges as far north as the Gulf Coast of the United States. These armored mammals use their snouts to root through the leaf litter and soil for insects, spiders, earthworms, snails, slugs, and other small invertebrates. Then they lick them up with their long, slender tongues. To search for food above ground, an armadillo will stand on its hind legs, using its stout tail for balance. Now, the 4-foot-long, 100-pound giant armadillo of South America sometimes walks on its hind legs, but all the other members of the family scramble along on all four. The armadillo doesn't fight to protect itself. Its small teeth are useless for biting, and it employs its claws only for digging, not for striking. So its primary defense is its armor. Some species have flexible armor that allows them to curl up into a ball, tucking head and feet safely inside. Others have rigid armor and must scurry into their burrows to escape their enemies. But the 6-inch fairy armadillo uses still another method to protect itself. When the fairy armadillo finds itself far from the safety of its underground home, it quickly digs a shallow depression in the soil and scrunches down. Once the little creature is snug in its shallow hole, belly side down, its armor acts as a tight-fitting door that no enemy can break through. Now, the Creator has provided His creatures with the ability to defend themselves, and the defense is always equal to the power and cunning of the predator. Our God has provided us with the perfect defense against our wily foe. He has given us armor complete with helmet, breastplate, belt, boots, and shields, as Ephesians chapter 6, verses 13 through 17 tells us. As you look at these creatures, the giant armadillo, the nine-banded armadillo, we did not have a picture of the fairy armadillo, but each one of these is a unique creature that God has made. Some people in the South refer to armadillos as possum on the half shell. But the thing is, these creatures have been given a defense. And as Ephesians 6:11 tells us, we have a defense. It says, "Put on the whole armor of God, that you may be able to stand against the wiles of the devil." Remember, folks, God takes care of His creatures, and He'll take care of you as well. All you have to do is put on that armor that He gives us. In other words, open your Bible. Once again, y'all have a blessed afternoon. Be safe.